Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Experience modern living in this beautiful two-level home, perfectly situated just minutes from Burwood Beach, the historic town of Falmouth, and the Sangsters International Airport. This property features three spacious bedrooms, each with ensuite bathrooms for ultimate privacy, three and a half bathrooms with stylish fixtures and modern finishes. Enjoy panoramic views of Falmouth Pier, the Caribbean Sea, and the surrounding mountains on the rooftop terrace. Fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances and ample storage, private balcony, and outdoor space, ideal for relaxing and entertaining. Secure parking with gated access for peace of mind. For more details or to schedule a viewing, make contact today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The monthly rental price for this house is US 1500 or Jamaican $236,700. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.